Let's get into next topic, views. So what is a view? View is not a real object like table. Table is a real object. No, you are creating some space into the database, you are having some columns, you are adding the data. Wherein view, it's a part of your table. You are creating one view out of your existing tables. View is what is view? It is part of a table. It is part of a table, not a real object. It's not a real object. It's just part of one table. The view, you can create. Let's say I want to see only names. This can be your one view. Whatever I highlighted in this color, right? This can be your view. It is actually part of a table, but you are just creating a view, a different view of the table. That's why it is called view. You can have a view of some rows also based on certain condition. Let's say you want to have all Bangalore records, so you can have Bangalore records as a view like this. It is possible in both ways. Either rows you can filter, or you can also filter columns. Either way it is possible to create the views. Now let's see practically how to create a view. It is DDL, create a view. Create view, let's say employee names. I am just creating one new view with employee names. That is my view name. Select don't worry about this. Okay, first name, middle name, comma, last name from employee. View as yes. So select star from we have seen already. This is like you are extracting all the columns. Star means all the columns and all the rows. Here instead of all the columns I am specifying what columns I want. I want 3 columns. I can specify using the comma like this. Okay, so I want only these 3 columns. Let's execute this separately. We can see the data. Employee, select, execute. Now you see only we got these 3 columns what we wanted. So now we are creating a view with these 3 columns only. Okay, so let me create this. View is created. Now you can use your view like your table. Okay, there is no restriction. Select star from employee names. So what it is going to show? It is going to show the same 3 things. Whatever we are doing here, the actual data is coming from where? The actual data is coming from your employee table. Okay, if you insert one more record into your employee table, let's insert one more. Record is inserted. If you come and check now, you will have the new record also. How it is coming? because it is just a view of our actual table called employee. You can even create a views with only specific rows. You can filter the columns, you can also filter the rows. Now okay, let's see how many records we have. For select star from employee, we have okay, Tamil Nadu, Bengal, Maharashtra. Let's say we want only records from Tamil Nadu. Okay, that is the new view we are creating. Employee only TN, let's say Tamil Nadu. So I'm not filtering any columns, star. So don't worry about this, what I am doing. This is like filtering the rows that I will be covering in next classes. But understand what is this is. This is filtering the rows. I am checking only for the records which is having location as Tamil Nadu. Okay, that is what this query means. I can run this outside and also see the result. Location unknown column, sorry, T is missing. You see, we got only one record. So now using the same thing we can create a view. So now view is created. Now you can retrieve all the records from that particular view. So if you execute this, you are going to get only one record. So this is how we can create a view with some columns, views with only some rows. Okay, so both are possible. Clear about the view? Rest everything is same. Whatever operations you are doing for your table, everything is possible for view also. That's about the view.